Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Carlos, and in this series, we're building a full network on real Cisco switches, step by step, in a way that actually makes sense. In episode 1, we set up our switch properly. In episode 2, we created VLANs and assigned ports. Now, it's time to connect those VLANs across switches using trunking. Think of trunking like a highway between neighborhoods. Remember our VLAN neighborhoods from episode 2? Each neighborhood has its own streets, but to travel between them, you need a highway that keeps the traffic organized. That's exactly what a trunk does. It carries multiple VLANs over a single physical link. Networking isn't about memorizing commands, it's about understanding why we do what we do. Pause, rewind, and follow along at your own pace. Just like before, we stepped into privilege mode to make changes. This is your control room. Everything we do from here affects the network. All permanent changes happen here in global configuration mode. Here, we configure port FA0/24 as a trunk. This port can now carry traffic for multiple VLANs, keeping each VLAN separate, like lanes on a highway. We set the trunk encapsulation to 802.1q, which is the standard method switches use to tag VLAN traffic. Without this, the switches wouldn't know which VLAN each frame belongs to. We also restrict the trunk to only allow VLANs 10 and 20. By default, a trunk carries all VLANs, but in real networks, we only allow the VLANs we need. This reduces unnecessary traffic and improves security, just like opening only the lanes you need on a highway to avoid congestions. Descriptions are your friend. They tell you exactly where this trunk goes and prevents confusion in larger networks. This command shows which ports are trunking, which VLANs are allowed, and other important details. Always verify your configuration. It's like checking your work in real life before leaving the office. Even small mistakes can cause big headaches. Verification prevents wasted time later. Verification commands helps ensure everything is working as expected. Good network engineers always double check. Remember, good networking is about thinking ahead. At this stage, nothing is being routed. We are simply building the path so multiple VLANs can travel over one connection. Because this link goes to a router, we're only configuring the trunk on the switch side. If this cable were going to another switch, both ports would need to be configured as trunks. Always save your work. I can't stress this enough. Forgetting to save can erase hours of work in an instant. I can't tell you how many times I've seen beginners lose hours of work because they forgot this step. Trunking is more than a command. It teaches planning and organization. Just like in life, building clear paths for communication prevents confusion, wasted time, and mistakes. Take it slow, understand the why, and the commands will start making sense. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe for more hands-on Cisco labs and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss the next episode. In the next video, we'll explore inter-VLAN routing, or routing on a stick. We'll be building on the setup from episode 1, 2, and 3. I'll see you in the next one.